Hi, Jason Baker here with Rise Real Estate. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I just wanted to let you know that in our effort to bring you every single kind of program in order to help you sell your home and net the most amount of money, we're introducing the Rise Realty Concierge Program. Now, this program is revolutionary in the area, much like the things, we're always at the forefront of what's going on in the real estate market, okay? Now, what the Concierge Program is, very simply, oftentimes when I go on a listing appointment, there's 4 or 5 things that the seller needs to do. Say a roof, say some carpet, say some touch-up paint, say a professional commercial clean, de-smoking the house, these kinds of things. But they're saying, Jason, I just don't have $10,000 or $15,000 laying around to get all that stuff done. But I know that, or after our consultation, they come to understand that these things would help them sell their home for top dollar with very little buyer whining, okay? So that, upping the curb appeal or the first impression when they first pull up to the house or walk inside the home. The better that is, the more offers that we get, the higher it sells for. So if you're, if you have this, and it's completely fine, it's confidential. If you're interested in selling your home this season, okay, before all the other homes come on the market that are going to come on this year, but you're just a little hesitant because you're afraid that it won't sell for the most, you're afraid there's things that need to do, please let me know and let's see if you qualify for the Rise Realty Concierge Program that we're rolling out here very quickly. Okay, I hope you're doing great. Call me with any questions at all. You can click the link below or just call the number below. Have an amazing day, and thanks for watching this video.